Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is a New Year's look I did a while ago using the Mandalorian and the Baby Yoda eyeshadow palette. Enjoy! So first I primed my face using the face base from Bobbi Brown. Then foundation I used the L'Oreal Infallible. And then followed it with the Marc Jacobs Extra Shock Concealer and topped it with the Cover FX Translucent Powder. After that I applied some Kiehl's lip balm to my lips, and then I applied some NARS eyeshadow primer to my eyelids. And I ended up doing my face makeup off camera for this video because if not, I was gonna be late to having New Year's dinner with my family. And here I am just showing you guys the Mandalorian mirror. It comes in the box like this, and it's a very nice, very cute pale green with Baby Yoda in the front. And here is the beautiful Mandalorian palette. I also did some swatches for you guys. And starting from right to left, we have Mascara Steel, Navarro Sand, Bantha Tracks, Imperial Credit, Clan of Two, Tatooine Glimmer, Mythosaur, This Is the Way, and Creed. So first I'm going to start applying Bantha Tracks all over the lid, which is that peachy kind of brownish tone, and that will serve as my base for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be picking up Tatooine Glimmer, and I'm only going to apply that on my top crease and outer crease. Then, picking up the golden yellow Navarro Sand, I'm going to apply that right underneath that Tatooine Glimmer. And I know it's going to be a little bit messy right now, guys, but I assure you it'll all come out better in the end. And next, I'm going to start cutting my crease using the Marc Jacobs concealer that we used to conceal our face with. And I'm only doing this because I want to apply a nice clean base, that way my shimmer shadow could stick to it better. And now, picking up the star of the show, Mascara Steel, I'm going to apply that on top of the concealer. And then I'm going to actually touch up on our crease using the Navarro Sands again, only because I feel like we lost it during the process. After that, I'm going to apply some MAC Studio Fix in the shade C3 all over my face. And then after that, I'm going to start my cat eyes using this NYX waterproof eyeliner. I really like it, and it's kind of like on the same level as a Kat Von D Trooper liner. Just saying, guys, you should try it out. It's really good. And of course, because it was New Year's when I did this video, I wanted to make this look as glittery as possible, so I went ahead and used this NYX glitter liner in silver, and I just applied a thin line to my crease. And to add some shadow under my eyes, I went ahead and I grabbed the Navarro Sands color and I applied it in my inner corner, and then I grabbed Tatooine Glimmer and applied that to my outer corner. So then going back with using the glitter liner, the silver one, which is actually called Diamond Dust, I'm going to do a vertical line down my inner corner, and using the gold one, which is called Zodiac Queen, I'm going to do two horizontal lines going across it. That way it almost looks like I have fireworks on my inner corners. And sadly, the only color I managed to use from the Baby Yoda eyeshadow palette was the golden color, which is called the Forbes. But I do promise you guys I will be doing a eye look just using this palette and this palette only, so keep an eye out for that in the future. But on this eye look, I ended up using it on my lower lash line and on my top crease as well, where we previously applied Navarro Sands and Tatooine Glimmer. Next, using a wet flat eyeshadow brush, I went back into the palette and used Mascara again, and I reapplied it to my lid only because I felt like it kind of turned into like a yellow champagne color when it is actually silver. For brows, I used the Anastasia brow palette, and I picked up the color Chocolate since my hair was darker here. And for lashes, I used these Bambi spring lashes and I applied them using this velour eyelash glue. And of course, to seal in my eyebrows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. For bronzing or contour, I don't know, I get them both confused. I use this one by MAC and I love the packaging, and it is in the shade called Delicates, and I use this angled Kat Von D brush to apply it. For blush, I used MAC Cosmetics Melba and I applied it using the rounder end of this Kat Von D brush. And next for mascara, I ended up using this velour mascara. I really like the applicator. I like it when mascaras have a nice big brush because I feel like it coats my lashes better, and I just feel like overall it just gives your lashes a better effect. And after applying my mascara, I went ahead and lined my eyes using the Pat McGrath eyeliner. For lips, I'm going to be using this lip gloss duo set from the collection. The pink earthy tone one is called Danjarin, and the sparkly silver one is called Grogu after Baby Yoda. But today I'm going to be wearing the pink one because I feel like it looks best with this eye look. So I'm going to also be using a MAC lip liner in the shade closest to this lip gloss, and I ended up choosing the color Boldly Bare. And after that, just apply the lip gloss on top and we are now done with the lips. So even after using the glitter liners, I still felt like this look was missing more glitter because again, hello, it was New Year's that day. So I ended up using my glitters from the Frozen Colourpop collection, and I used the silver to apply it to my lids, and I applied the gold one to my crease area. And by the way, I really recommend you guys to get one of these silicone brushes for applying glitter because it doesn't stick to your brush and it does the job well. And last but not least, for highlighter, I'm using this beautiful one by Anastasia Beverly Hills and their collaboration they did with Amrezy, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my face, my nose, and my cupid's bow. And before this video ends, I'm going to show you guys some stuff I got the other day. First, I got these two headbands from Forever 21, and I got them because they reminded me of Gwen Stacy. Next, at Target, I got this very cute headband that says Happy New Year, so very appropriate for today. And then I got this 3-piece set of earrings, and then at Ross, I purchased this very cute black top with clear puffy sleeves, and I tried to match today's makeup look to this shirt as much as possible. So now that I have all my stuff, I'm gonna do a quick change for dinner tonight. Here is the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye!